Hello, video about a test with Router Mini of the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 150 2015 standard anti-theft alarm working. Now let's begin. Turn on both the retranslator and the smartphone. Bring the retranslator to a car door. Click on knob Read LF on the smartphone screen, and in 2 till 6 seconds you can see an information about the car keys. After such reading, the information is automatically stored in the memory. Both devices might be switched off this time. Bring the retranslator to the smart key of this car. Click on knob Read RF on the smartphone screen, and in 2 till 6 seconds you can see an information about the key that was read from the car. It's confirmed by the information on the smartphone. You might switch off both devices after the car key information reading and storing it in the smartphone memory. To check a result of the operation, you can switch both devices on again. Choose the needed memory cell from 1 to 4 where the information was stored. Go to the car with the retranslator at distance from 3 to 10 meters and click on Unlock U or Lock L buttons to open or close the car door. As you can see, the door has been locked or unlocked. So, the test is ended now. Thanks for watching.